Hi, Samantha here from Consignment Chats. I just want to show you guys how easy it is now to share from eBay into some of your social media platforms. I did another video on Facebook, so you can go and check that out, how to do eBay, share your eBay listings onto your Facebook page. And now I'm going to show you Pinterest. Now, I haven't done this in a couple months, but eBay has come out with some new AI stuff. And when I did it to Facebook, I was blown away. I love it. It's literally just a couple clicks and your stuff is out there and for more eyeballs and more buyers to see. So, let's check out Pinterest right now. I'm going to share my screen. Now, you're going to find this stuff in the eBay Seller Hub. So, when you have an eBay store, you go to your Seller Hub and you're going to go to Marketing tab and you can either go to Social here, or since I'm already in here, Social there, and it does pop up and say, hey, we've got new things. Find some new buyers. Find us on social. When you scroll down, this is where you're going to be able to link your accounts. So Pinterest and Facebook, I've got linked. Instagram was not doing well for me a couple months ago when I tried this. I am going to try to link it after this video and see if I can do an Instagram post. But for now, I did one on Facebook. We're going to do one on Pinterest. Go up here to create post. We're going to select Pinterest. I don't remember if I have a specific Pinterest board. So that is one thing. Either have a business Pinterest set up or have specific boards, maybe by category or just a generic, selling board that you want. There's really no need to go and make your own Pinterest or anything like that. So I have a board that's called Sorting with Samantha. So I will select that board. Now, this is awesome. You can select up to 4 listings. You can search your store and for specific things. You can select a category. You can just share your store. You can share a promotion that you're having. There are so many options. I'm going to share listings because I love this. In here, we're going to search boots because I did that one earlier. We're going to search boots. It's going to pull up everything that has boots in the title for me in my store. And let's do some winter boots. So I'm going to select some of these more wintry boots. You can go through your catalog. Sure, we'll do these ones. So I selected my 4. I'm going to hit next. Now here you can change which photos pop up for these items. It'll just brings in all the photos from your listing. I'm going to leave them. I like that 2 are facing that way, 2 are facing that way. I don't know why. I think it looks good. Now, here you can type your own caption. They even suggest hashtags down here. Same with Facebook. They're really good about that. You can schedule your post. I didn't even realize that I didn't scroll down far enough when I did the Facebook one. That's a game changer. That's definitely a game changer. So you can schedule posts. This AI caption. So it gives you 3 or 4 captions with hashtags and emojis, some of them. And so you can pick out exactly what you want it to say. I am not reading this. I'm just picking one. It pulls it in here. You can change things. If you wanted to add more hashtags, you want to add or remove some of the wording. I'll change a little bit here. And then, okay, you can schedule it if you wanted to. It's so great. It gives you little tips as you go along. We're just going to post it now. So I'm going to hit post. It's going to go to Pinterest. Awesome. And Pinterest is really quick. So it's already on there. This is what people see. It's great. If they click on it, they can save it. Can they? Oh, they got to click down here. A little link. Boom. Brings you right to that listing. Looks like it just did the one for Pinterest. I know on Facebook it did all 4. But I'm not sure what the capabilities are with Pinterest. I am not Pinterest savvy. So doing one item at a time on there may make sense for those Pinterest savvy people. yeah, I will keep playing around with it. You should go play around with it. Go to your seller hub, go to your marketing tab, and then go to social and play around with it. Let us know how it goes. Make sure to check out all of our links down here. Subscribe, come to our Facebook community. It's free. Come over to our Patreon. It's not free, but for $5 a month, you get to see these faces, this face, and the other two wonderful ladies every morning. Every weekday morning, we do a 10-minute meeting. We do monthly and weekly accountability meetings. We do so much. So check out all the things. Go check out this Pinterest sharing. Tell me how you use Pinterest in your business. I need to know. I clearly don't. So help me. Help me help help myself, really, because I don't know what I'm doing. So go try this out. Go. Go do it. Go do it now.